All right. Tyrone Codner, coach of Brownstone High School.
All right, good day, Mr. Codner. A tough game for the second round, kicking off second round. You guys lost 4 goals to 1. What will be your assessment of this game today?
We started out slow, and especially being indisciplined in terms of in the midfield. The players were all over the place, and then we made a sloppy mistake from a back kick, that we shouldn't have conceded from. And then the second goal again, we pretty much watched them breaking in behind the line and didn't do anything about it. The second half, we started off better, but we conceded a third goal. We got one back and we were just getting back in the game, trying to get a second one to go back home with. Unfortunately, we conceded a fourth, which put us under more pressure now going into the return leg. But we will go home, we'll do our assessment, and we will definitely come all out and choose that Jackson.
Would you say this is one of your worst matches team must play, or this just one of those weird days for you guys?
I'd say it's the poorest first half I've seen from my team all season. Yeah. First half was really, really poor, especially the first 10 minutes. You concede early in a game of this magnitude. It can be very costly, and it proved to be like that today.
Based off what you see today, what you make of your opponents and what you think you can do to really nullify them in the next game and get a result at home?
We pretty much know what they do. We have to try to minimize the amount of squares that they get in, especially the ones that they're pulling back on the penalty spot, 6 yards here or thereabout. Once we can do that, and the goalkeeper need to communicate some more, and organize the backline some more. We'll just have to do some more defensive work and prepare for it. But at the same time, we'll have to go all out because we need a win.
All right.
And we have a 3-goal deficit to cancel, so we'll have to go and do some more finishing.
All right, Mr. Codner. It's good speaking to you guys. I'll see you guys for next week, Tuesday. Tuesday, right?
Yeah, man. All right, blessings.
Bless up.